Hi, I'm Jonathan, welcome to Buildawebs. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a plugin on WordPress. A plugin basically extends the functionality and the features of a website. Think of it of a plugin like an application on a mobile phone. In WordPress there's 60,000 free plugins and there's also many more paid ones. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install a plugin directly on WordPress, and then by doing it the second way, by going to wordpress.org, downloading it and uploading it into WordPress. Let's get into the first way. So first of all, go to plugins and then add new. Here you'll see all the featured plugins, the popular ones, the recommended ones and favourites. If we go to search plugins and search for duplicate page, you'll see the results come up. You can install this first one. Before we install, actually, it's always good practice to check when it was last updated. So it was 10 hours ago, very soon. And also see if it's compatible with the most recent version of WordPress. That means that in the future, hopefully, it should work with your site. And also check how many installations there's been and what the reviews are like. As you can see, it's a 5-star review on this one. So if you click install now, and then choose activate. So before we choose activate, let's open up pages in a new tab, and then hit activate. So what you'll see next to each one is nothing at the moment until you refresh, and then you'll see duplicate this. So this is quite helpful on pages in particular, and possibly posts. If you want to copy a page, change a bit of the design, so you can, let's say we want to duplicate the contact page, just press duplicate this, and then it's created another version of it. So then you can go into that page, edit it, change different things, maybe put in different pictures, and you've got a page duplicated very quickly. So let's go back into plugins and let's go to install plugins. So you can see the duplicate page. If, for example, you wanted to take this off your website, as in deactivate it, just click on deactivate here, and then you'll see it says delete. When it says delete, it's installed, but it isn't active on the site. If you don't need it anymore, you can delete it by just pressing delete, and then choosing OK. If you, for example, wanted to bulk delete all of the plugins, you can click here and choose delete. First of all, you'd have to deactivate them and then delete them, but don't do that unless absolutely necessary. So just untick that. Or you can just go into them individually and just tick away. Choose bulk actions, choose deactivate, choose apply, and you'll see that there they are, ready to delete. So again, you can just tick them, bulk actions, delete, and apply. Okay, and they're gone from the site. So let's get into the second way of doing it. So the second way is to go to any other website where you can download it from. We've gone to wordpress.org/plugins, and I'm going to search for it on here. It's not quite what I was looking for. Looks like I've spelt it wrong. Let's give it another spin. There it is. So if you click on it and then choose download, you see it's already downloaded there. Once downloaded, go back into WordPress So we'll go back to the dashboard. Again, plugins, add new, and then choose upload plugin, and then choose the file. So there it be. Click on it. There you can see it's attached it, and then install now, and then activate the plugin. And as you can see, there it is. It's live on the site. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos like this coming in the future, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of the videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thanks for watching the video.